treasure. Everything's better when hanging out with Phoebe and Jay.
Hey, Phoebe and Jay.
Woo! Hey, hey,
Phoebe and Jay.
Whoa! Look how big my fro got!
You sure you don't want to keep the afro? Try a new hairstyle?
No, I just want my old cut back. I like my hair just the way it was.
Alrighty then, let's do it.
Are you sure you know how to cut my hair?
I know I'm not your normal barber, but we haven't found a new one since we moved here. And sometimes we gotta make do with what we got. Look, here's the clipper. That's what's gonna cut your hair. And these guards will tell me how much hair will get cut when I use them.
There's numbers on them. This one has a 1, this one has a 2, and this one has a 3.
That's right. The smaller the number, the shorter it will cut your hair. So a 1 will cut your hair very short.
Oh, and the 2 leaves more hair than the 1. And 3 is the biggest. So that will keep my hair long?
Yeah, you got it. You're gonna look so slick.
Remember, Dad, I like my hair really short at the bottom, then a little more hair in the middle, then the most hair on the top.
Don't worry. I'll start at the top with guard number 3. Sound good?
Sounds good, but please be careful.
Uh-oh.
What was that?
Nothing.
My hair! What happened? That's guard number 1. That one's for short hair. It's not for the top where I want it long.
Oh, man, I'm sorry, son. I did use the wrong guard. I meant to use guard number 3, but hey, I can fix it. Oh, don't jam up on me, clippers. Yep, these old things are jammed. It's gonna take a while for me to figure out how to fix them. And we can't afford a new pair. Oh, man, what are we gonna do?
Hey, what's going on? Jay, your hair, it's different. I know, Phoebes, but the clippers broke, so now I'm stuck with this hole in my hair.
Wait, there's a barber shop near Yolo's store. We're gonna need some help from a professional.
Good idea, Daddy. A real barber could give Jay a fresh haircut.
You're right. A pro could give Jay a fresh cut. A professional? Yes, a professional barber. That's what we need.
All clear. I don't want anyone to see my hair like this.
Well, hello. Welcome to my shop. I'm Miss V.
Hi, I'm Phoebe. This is my daddy, and this is my brother, Jay. He needs your help.
Hi, Jay. It's nice to meet you. It looks like somebody tried to cut your hair?
Yeah, that was me. I had a little mix-up with the clipper guards. That's why we need a pro to get Jay fresh again.
Listen, baby, I understand if you feel nervous, Jay. Well, it just means you really care about your hair. But guess what? I really care about your hair, too. That's a professional barber's job.
I really care about hair, too, especially mine.
Ooh, it is so cute. Ooh. Did you choose your own hairstyle?
I did. I know what's fresh. Ooh! Can I style my daddy in that chair?
Well, that is up to your daddy.
Fix me up, baby girl. Whoa.
How about we don't cut your hair just yet, Jay? How about we take a tour of my shop?
Yeah.
This fancy paper is called a certificate, and I got it after I learned how to be a barber from other good barbers.
Cool. Wait, you like comic books? I wrote a comic book.
I do like comic books. I keep some here for my customers so they can read if there's a line. you should bring me a copy of your comic book so I can put it out here too. How y'all doing over there?
Oh, doing great.
When I'm done, he's going to look beautiful.
Can't wait to see how it turns out. Now, Jay, how about I show you my favorite things? My barber tools.
Hey, those look like the pieces Dad was trying to use to cut my hair. This one has a 1, so it cuts your hair short. This one has a 2, so it leaves a little bit more hair than the 1. And this one has a 3, so it keeps your hair long. My dad was supposed to use a number 3 and just cut a little bit of hair, but he used the number 1 and cut it too short.
See, I can use the clipper guards to cut any of those styles you see on the hairstyle poster. Which one do you like?
That's what my hair is supposed to look like. That's how I like it.
That's called a high top fade.
You can do that?
Yep. This cut is short on the bottom, so I'll use guard number 1. Then there's a little more hair in the middle, so I'll use the number 2 guard. Finally, it's long at the top, so I'll use the number 3 guard. Okay, Jay. Ready for your cut?
I need a haircut. Super fast.
Hey, Sid. I can help you with a haircut, but this is Jay, and he was here first. Jay, this is Sid.
Oh, okay. Hey, little man. Nice to meet you.
Actually, you can go first, Sid. I'm not ready yet.
Okay, I'll take care of Sid first, but only if you help me, Jay. That's okay with you, Sid?
Yep, I'll take all the help I can get.
What kind of haircut do you want?
Oh, I like this one.
That's the same haircut I want.
I like it, soul brother.
My daddy's hair looks nice, but it's missing something.
How about some sparkle?
Ooh, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Sounds like we all got a plan. Well, team, let's get fresh.
Since we're doing a fade, that means the hair is short at the bottom. So we need guard number 1.
That's right.
Now you have to do the middle part. The hair in the middle is a little bit longer, so you need guard number 2.
You're on a roll, Jay.
And now you need guard number 3, so you leave a lot of hair on top.
What do you think?
It's beautiful. Thank you for squeezing me in, soul brother. Now I'm feeling confident.
And my daddy looks great too.
And you look pretty soulful too, good brother.
Thank you. Hey, Miss V, I think I'm ready for my haircut now.
Let's do it, Jay. What part do you want me to cut first?
The part at the back, where my hair is short. Here's the first guard. What happened? Did you cut it wrong?
I haven't cut anything yet. Let's look at the guard again.
I see a number 3, the one that keeps your hair long.
But you wanted me to cut the back of your hair really short, right?
Oh, whoops. I gave you the wrong guard. Here's the right one. Guard number 1, the one that cuts your hair the shortest. Now we need guard number 2, the one that leaves a little bit more hair. Thanks for teaching me about haircuts, Miss V. I like it in your shop. I can't wait to come back.
Oh, I love that. Now, let's finish this haircut. What's the next guard?
Here's number 3. This one will leave a lot of hair. That's what we need for the top of this haircut.
there you go, Jay. Good as new.
I see that little grin. What are you thinking, Jay?
Well, I saw something cool on the haircut poster. Can I try 3?
Nice. Something a little different. I like it.
Okay, I see you. I can definitely add that design to your hair. Now, for that, I'm gonna need my special golden clippers. Are you ready?
Yeah! I love it! And I love your look too, Dad.
Thanks so much for helping us out today, Miss V. We'll definitely be back soon.
Great to meet you all. Can't wait to help you with your next haircut.
All right, see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you! See you soon!
Bye now.
I hope we see other neighbors on the way back. Everyone's gotta see my fresh cut. And now, everyday exploring. Come on!
I'm just waiting for my haircut. Here he comes.
Oh, ready to go, kiddo?
What's up, Dre?
All right, little man, here's the menu. Which haircut we going for?
I like my haircut short on the sides and long on top. I like number 5.
I think we can do it. That's a high fade. Short on the sides and long on the top. That is a number 1 guard. We use this so we don't go too low.
That tickles.
Real still. We want you looking better when you leave than when you came in. That there is our 2 guard. That'll get us down low, but not too low. This is a number 3 guard. We'll be leveled out, but still got work to do. Doing good, big man, doing good. You want to keep your lineup real fresh. You are almost good to go. You've been so good. This is a pomade for styling. Looking good, Ethan. Damn.
Thanks, Dre.
All right, big man.
I love my haircut. My hair is short here and long here. I love it.
Phoebe and Jay is made possible in part by a Ready to Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, the Grable Foundation, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Find more of your PBS Kids friends on your local PBS station and the free PBS Kids video app. Also, subscribe to the PBS Kids Prime Video channel.